Exaltation of the cross. The persecutors of Jesus had thought that he would experience death like the other criminals had gone through, but Jesus proved them wrong by rising on the third day, and in doing so expunged the sting of death from the cross. As Jesus won victory by offering his life, so we, his followers, would gain victory if we generously give our life for others and accept our cause. Life's difficulties and trials must be gladly welcomed and accepted, not for their own sake, but because we believe that Jesus is lifting us up and encourages us to carry them. We know that every trial or difficulty has its redemptive value, because Jesus was the first one who made the choice to suffer and die on the cross. Please like and subscribe.